All right, y'all. Today we are going to learn how to make a repeat pattern in Adobe Photoshop using some artwork I created on the beach yesterday. This is an instructional video, so let's get into it. All right, so your first order of business is to pull in your artwork. So here I've done the artwork yesterday. I photographed it and airdropped it to my computer. I am going to copy the layer by going to this little plus button, delete, dragging your artwork to the plus just to get an extra layer. You're going to want to do that just in case you need to revisit old elements and potentially bring in the old file after edited to modify accordingly. Okay, so with this image here right now, I am going to go ahead and slightly adjust color, image adjustments, brightness and contrast. I want it to feel a little more contrast. There we go. It feels good. Image adjustment, I'm going to play with my curves a little bit because I still want that pop, but the really deep dark background. I'm loving it, so we're gonna be good there. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna zoom out to show you that we are not in repeat, right? This is just hand doodled on paper, no repeat. So to do that, you go to view, pattern preview, okay, and you can see like this is completely broken. The exterior edges are what we call our seams, and these seams do not repeat. So what we have to do is we have to edit artwork to make it repeat, and there's a really cool trick that we're about to get into. So we're gonna go view, take off pattern preview. Okay, now we're back to the only layer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to filter, other, offset. When you do the offset, you have to use your slider bars to go a little bit over in the horizontal position. So you see I'm moving it horizontally, so my vertical seam is visible down the center. And now we're going to do the same thing with the vertical slider bars that turn our horizontal seams into the middle. Okay, so we're good here because these are good editing areas. Happy. So just to show you again, view, pattern preview. Okay, so technically now where we had our seam lines, it's repeating, but it's still broken because we've moved the outer edges to the center where we need to now clean it up. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go back out of view, out of view please. Cancel pattern preview, and now we're gonna get into the artwork. And this is not a perfect technique if you're a professional. You're probably working in layers and you're exporting like little pieces of the art and then compiling it within Photoshop. This is a hack for quick repeating textiles, so that way you can pitch your ideas, and once bought into, then you would go back and refine it, obviously, because this will be imperfect. So I love using the tool, the spot healing brush. We are going to do proximity match. I am not going to sample all layers. I'm just going to proximity match. So in theory and practice, this should match the proximity of your area. So we are going to anything goes it and see, we don't like that. All right, it's not, this is new Photoshop for me on a brand new computer, so she doesn't know who I am yet. I do have another trick. Let's try this one instead. We're going to use our marquee tools to highlight the seams, and then hold shift, and we're going to do the same thing to grab the seam. And then we're going to go to edit, content aware fill. Perfect. And then what it's going to do is it's going to be aware of the content around it and fill it, so it creates the repeat that we're looking for. I'm pretty happy with this, so I'm just gonna apply it and call it a day. Okay. So now it's given us an extra layer, so you can see here. All right, I'm happy with this. So I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna merge down to make it one layer. Professionally, you would probably keep it layered, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we aren't professionals, we're learning. So this is great. Command, whatever, forget. Command deselect, Command D to deselect. And so now you can see with the view, pattern preview, okay, we have pretty clean artwork at this point. It is repeating nicely. However, view, pattern preview, we're just going to double check our work. So what we're gonna do again is we're gonna go back to filter, make sure we click our layer, filter, other, offset. So now we're offsetting again to double check our work, and I'm seeing a flaw here, which we're gonna clean up. And let's see if we've got anything Kukulina that's just blatantly obvious, and not really. So I'm gonna see here if we can do another. Stay away from your exterior edges, your exterior seam lines at this point because you are already in repeat. Okay, so now we're gonna see if we can do our trick from earlier. Edit, content aware fill. It's gonna sample the layers around it. Apply. Okay, cleaned it up. Apply, okay, we like it. Command D to deselect. And I kind of want to see if it'll clean up this area. While yes, it's repeating, it looks a little sloppy. So let's see if we can do the same trick. Edit, content aware fill, and cancel because I forgot to merge down. Okay, now we're gonna do it again. Edit, content aware fill, apply. Okay, I'm okay with that. Yeah, we're good. Merge down. Okay, fam. Y'all, we have pretty much a repeating design. So again, how we check that? You tell me. Filter. Other. Nope, just kidding. Haha, gotcha. View. Pattern preview. And here we go. We can see that we've got a beautiful repeating artwork. You can zoom out. You can play with it at this point if you want to and see your work change at, go away, you're kind of annoying. Little bar, thank you. You can play with it at this level and start playing around with additional edits, and you can see those edits happening within the bigger canvas of the repeat. So like for instance, if I want to clean up in here, I can. And you see it working everywhere else. Command Z, Command Z, Command Z. I don't really like the block there. I mean, go away, baby girl. Anything goes, love it. So then we're gonna come and clean up everywhere else that we just wanna refine a touch. And then there you have it, folks. This is your repeating artwork hack. A few steps and you've got beautiful repeating art. If you want to see more, go ahead and click that like and subscribe and come back to see how we take the artwork into reality. Bye, y'all.